Hi, my name is Jerome and this is Dutch Shed Builds. So welcome back. As you can see, I've painted the bike. It's all primed. So the thing of today is the battery tray. As you can see, I've already made a mock-up. You'll see that in a minute. This is where the battery will be, the starter, solenoid, CDI and relays and a fuse box probably. So I'm just very much in doubt what I'm going to do. And well, first let me show you what I've done so far. And to get the battery tray in, I've decided to move this piece of steel and move it forward so I can put the battery here. So it's only going to move a couple of centimeters, but it will make all the difference, I think. So mission accomplished. This is the old one, and this is the new one I put in. So I've got this space to do the battery in. Cool. Well, this is the battery tray. Made it out of cardboard, as you can see. And the main thing was the battery. That's the biggest part. So that's what determined the height of the tray. This is the thing I replaced. It used to be here, but as you'll see, I've moved it to the front so I can put the battery here. And the regulator rectifier is this thing. Now I found out that this needs some cooling, so I'm gonna put this on the bottom of the battery tray. But the thing I am in doubt of is the battery or the seat, maybe. If I shouldn't make a hump. So it's gonna be this or this, the seat. I like this one, I like the color. And of course, I've already got this, so this will be quicker for me to build. This will be more work, but I think it will give it more like a racer look. This is more like scrambler, tracker type thing. So I'm leaning towards this. As far as the tray goes, I don't think I don't have to change anything whether I use that one or this one. Only thing is, if I use this, I will have a bit more space in here, which will make it less fiddly, and I can also make it a little less deep, so I can raise it up a bit more, because the battery won't have to go here anymore. So choices. So it's a bit rough at the moment, but this is the first cut. But that is the tray we'll be using. But well, it's another step. It's a battery tray. So that's the video of this week. I didn't get any further with the battery tray as what you just saw. Next video is going to be about the CX500 I got just a little bit later after this. And I will just show you how I've been dismantling that and powder coated the frame and trying to build that back up. Big shout out to Azure Kings for the music, and the link to their music on SoundCloud and Spotify is in the description below. So thank you very much for the music. I think I'll be using a couple more of your songs for the other videos. Alright, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.